September 1941, German and Finnish forces closed in on Leningrad, the Soviet Union's second-largest city. What followed was one of the longest and most brutal sieges in history. 872 days of blockade, starvation, and suffering. The Germans cut off supplies by land, hoping to starve the city into submission. Food ran out. Civilians survived on rations as small as a slice of bread mixed with sawdust. People ate pets, wallpaper paste, even leather, just to stay alive. By the end of the first winter, hundreds of thousands had perished. Yet the city refused to surrender. Supplies trickled in across Lake Ladoga, the so-called road of life, carried by boats in summer and trucks over ice in winter. It wasn't enough to stop the famine, but it kept Leningrad alive. The Red Army launched repeated offensives to break the siege, but it wasn't until January 1944 that success came. On January 14th, Soviet forces struck with overwhelming artillery and air support. Within weeks, the Germans were driven back. On January 27, 1944, the siege was officially declared lifted. By then, over 1 million civilians had died, mostly from starvation and cold. But the survival of Leningrad became a symbol of Soviet endurance and defiance. The lifting of the siege didn't just free a city, it marked a turning point on the Eastern Front, proof that the Red Army was now on the offensive, and that Nazi Germany's grip was breaking. Leningrad endured the unendurable, and its survival remains one of the most tragic yet inspiring chapters of World War II.